If you want to download apps on Google Pixel 11, all you have to do is you need to open the Play Store, which is the store where we can find a bunch of different apps and that we can get on our phone. You can find the Play Store here, for example, in the app drawer. So let's go ahead and open the Play Store. Now, if you just want to look around and see what you can download, you can just switch to the apps category here at the bottom, and then you can scroll through this list in order to try to find anything that you might want to install on your phone. You can probably find many popular apps in here straight away. And if you happen to find something, of course, you can just tap on the app and then you can install it with this button. Now, if you want to use some categories in order to search for something more specific, then in here we should be able to find the categories option. And as you can see, we have many different options to choose from. So let's say if I go to the lifestyle, I should be able to find a couple of different apps in here as well. And you can probably find something for yourself. And if you're looking for something very specific, if you know exactly what app you want to get, you can use the search option here at the bottom of the screen, then tap on the search field at the top, and then you can just type whatever you're looking for. Of course, you can use suggestions at the top to quickly search for something. As you can see here, we have this install button, which you can use to install the selected app, or you can tap on the app itself in order to find the install button here. If you can find this arrow, then it means that you can probably install the same app on some other devices as well. So usually you can tap over here and decide if it should be installed on this device and also some other devices that use exactly the same Google account. So we can just tap on the install button and then just wait for the app to be downloaded. Of course, the download speed depends on your internet speed. And once the app is downloaded and installed, you should be able to open it straight away, either by using the Play Store again. So over here, you will find an open button, or you can just go to the app drawer and you can find it somewhere over here. The list is, of course, alphabetical, so you should be able to find it very easily. And also, most likely, the app is going to be added to the home screen as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.